this morning with Mr. Allen, and I just want you to take a minute and tell everyone what made you come into the office first. What were you dealing with?
A lot of pain, a lot of discomfort. Was getting desperate, and we needed some answers, or I needed some answers. And we went looking on the internet, and we found your website, and we were impressed with what we read, what we saw there. It wasn't we were approaching things from different angles, and we really liked that. So we made an appointment.
And when you first came in, there was like lots of things that you were having a hard time doing.
Yeah.
And now you can do a lot of these things.
Yes, I can sit, I can stand, I can walk.
Sitting and standing are pretty good.
Yeah, I like them.
Walking's not bad, huh?
It's good.
You also like get out in the yard a lot more now.
Yes, I can get out in the yard. I have to be careful. I can't go wild and crazy. I'm still shy of running. You know, if the building's burning, I can get out.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. But marathons, I think, are the past.
That's okay.
Yep.
I won't run them either. Now, if there's someone at home who's dealing with chronic pain, who's been to a bunch of places, tried a bunch of things, taken a lot of narcotics, would you recommend that they look at our services?
Absolutely. If I know they're going that way before they even go, I'll tell them about it.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.